In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Microsoft Word quickly and easily, even if you've never used this feature before. Shapes are a great way to make your documents look more professional, highlight important information, create simple diagrams, add arrows, boxes, callouts, and so much more. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Microsoft Word and make sure you have the document you want to work on ready. Once you're inside your document, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps a lot of the visual tools you can add to your page, including pictures, icons, charts, and shapes. After you click Insert, find the Illustrations group. In that section, you'll see a button labeled Shapes. Go ahead and click that button to open the full Shapes menu. When the Shapes menu opens, you'll see a wide variety of options. There are lines, arrows, rectangles, circles, flowchart symbols, stars, callouts, and many more. Take a moment to look through the list and choose the shape that fits your document. If you want to highlight text, a rectangle or rounded rectangle might work best. If you want to point to something, an arrow is a great choice. If you're building a diagram, you may want to use circles or connectors. Simply click the shape you want, and your mouse pointer will change so you can place it in the document. Now that you've selected your shape, move your cursor to the part of the page where you want it to appear. Click and drag your mouse in the document to draw the shape. As you drag, Word will show you the size and position of the shape so you can make it as large or as small as you need. Once you release the mouse button, the shape will appear on the page. You can then click it again if you want to resize, move, or format it further. If needed, you can repeat the same process to add more shapes. Just go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes again, and choose another option. This is especially useful if you're creating a process chart, a visual guide, or a document that needs clear callouts and labels. You can combine several shapes together to make your page much easier to understand at a glance. After inserting a shape, Word also gives you formatting options so you can customize the look. Depending on your version of Word, you may see shape fill, outline, and effects tools. That means you can change the color, add borders, or give your shape shadows and other styles. This is a great way to match the design of your document or make certain information stand out more clearly, and that's really all there is to it. The process is simple. Go to Insert, click Shapes, pick your shape, and drag it into your document. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to add shapes in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.